everybody, thank you so much for tuning back in. Thank you for watching once more. So today's video was just basically me trying out a new foundation really, and for me was trying the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. First of all, this kind of like went out for me because this is totally the wrong shade. I'm pretty bad at picking out shades really. The last time I chose the Milan, okay, look, with L'Oreal foundations and Maybelline, I just normally go for you know, caramel. I think that's everyone's default shade really, not everyone, most girls I would say. So I went for caramel, and caramel was just basically not the right color for me, or the right shade for me. So yeah, that was kind of a fail. I don't know, I really had to kind of like finesse it a lot. I think I made it work. But anyway, thank you so much for the support, for the love. Please do comment, like, and subscribe. I'm just trying to basically improve with every video that I upload, and hopefully you enjoyed this one as well. But yeah, I'm just trying to find my feet. Trying to, yeah, besides that, I enjoy the process. It's a bit stressful because, you know, when you look at something and you think, oh my god, I'm attracted to that and I want to try that out, and then of course I didn't expect it to be any easier, but it's just a bit frustrating when you want to put out a certain quality, but you know, you're coming up short a little. So yeah, but I think from the first video that I uploaded to the second one to this one, hopefully it's okay. I did struggle to find like the right filming spot for now. The lighting was about like wonky, it probably is just a bit too bright, and hopefully I can just adjust it. And yeah, without me rambling, thank you so much for watching. This is the final look. I'm gonna take some pictures, upload them on Instagram and Facebook. I'm not on Twitter, probably should. Yeah. Alright, so this is the final look. I've taken a couple of pictures. I am, yeah, it's okay really. I just finessed it. I still don't see any difference in terms of, I guess it's a bit full coverage, but I did go in with the concealers and powders, so yeah man, this is the final look. But yeah, but I love, again, it is full coverage. The consistency as well, it's not something that I'm used to. It's a bit runny. It's not as thick. It is full coverage. It's okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Probably I'm just gonna try using videos and try to finesse it and mix it with other foundations. But yeah, it is showing in different lighting. It does show a bit of like that yellowiness, like it's not even like golden. Maybe it is, I don't know. But yeah, this is the final look. I'm loving it. And once more, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for the support. I'm looking forward to growing with you all. Like, please do comment, subscribe, share, please.